Hey guys, this is Anthony Romerell, and in this video, we're going to talk about downloading Unity and creating an account. And then hooking up with GitHub. So here's what we do. We're going to go to unity.com. We're going to click on plans and pricing, and then we're going to go to Unity Personal, and we're going to click download now. And it's going to prompt you for whatever system you're on. So I could hit download Mac, and it'll download what's called Unity Hub. So I'm not going to do that because I already have it available. So I'm going to, but you'll click that, download the software, and then you're going to open up Unity Hub. So a couple things you're going to need open. So this is Unity Hub, just about ready to go. You're going to want to go to installs. And you're going to want to find for you Unity 6.1, right? If it's not installed, just go to official releases and you should be able to see it. So just download it for your current use. You don't need anything else that's special with it. Just download the editor. Once this is downloaded, you're going to want to also create a login. So I'm already logged in here, but you can create a login just by going to this site, clicking on this little account button back to unity.com, and clicking sign in or create account, right? I've already done that, so I don't need to do it. Now, once we've done that, we'll go back to Unity Hub, and we will come here and we'll click login. Now, I've already logged in. You're going to want to do manage license. You're going to want to grab a personal license. And that should be pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, you can always message me on Teams or Canvas. Teams is better, but feel free to do so. So once the editor is installed, you're going to go to projects, and I already have it added, but we're going to add a project from our Git repository. So let's head on over to Git Desktop, where we should have cloned the repository already, and this should be all set for us. If not, you're going to want to watch the previous video. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, let's show where this repository is in our Finder or Explorer or folder. It'll say it right here. So for me, it's on the Mac. So I'm going to come on in here, and we're going to look for its DAGV 1700. Your class is probably either DAGV 1700 or 1400. Either one's correct. And there's this little adventure game folder, right? And so just so we're aware of it, it's in my users folder, my name, Git repos essentials. Now it's going to be wherever you put it. So that's where this is for me. So I already have it, but to add it, I'll just come over here and click the add, and I'll say, let's add from project, although you could put add from repository. We've already done that step. So let's add from disk, and I already have it. It's located it here for me, but it's in my users, Anthony Romerell, Git repos essentials. And I'm going to go inside that folder, click on adventure game, and click open. I've already done it. And it'll add a project for me. And once you've done that, you can just double click the project to open it up. It will launch the Unity editor, which I currently have it open. So you should see something that looks similar to this. If it doesn't exactly look like this, it's okay. It'll look similar. You should have some kind of window here with some graphics. If this isn't open, you can just go to the Unit 1 folder and 2D Starter, double click that, open it up, and you should see this little frog guy. You can push play and then do the right left arrow keys, and you should be able to turn right and left. You should be able to hit the space bar and jump. You should be able to hit this little mine and it flashes, the cherries, it flashes. And you can fall off the screen. We just ended our game, so we're going to hit the stop button, right? So just to make sure that this is working inside GitHub, I'm just going to grab a graphic of any kind. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to go to Assets, Boxes, just open up this little sprite right here. And I'm just going to drag a graphic in here. There it is. I'm going to scale it. By the way, all these pixel adventure graphics have to be scaled to a 5. All right, scale it up. Perfect. There it is. I'm just going to save that scene. And if we've done this all correctly, we should be able to go to Git Desktop, and you're going to see a change where I have this starter going. Now, you should not have very many files. These log files I don't want. So just a couple tips. I'm going to say, you know what? Let's add this folder logs to our ignore file. Great, because I don't want to log those. And then we should have the 2D starter has a little modification on it. Great. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to create a summary. So I'm going to say repo works. And I'm going to hit and commit all my changes. And then the next step is after you've made a commit, push it to the origin. And great. Let's make sure this worked. Let's go view on GitHub. And so let's double check right here. It says repo works. So that was my newest commit. So we are good. We've managed to put this on our repository. And this is something you're going to want to do throughout the class is make sure that you're backing up. So Git is a great way for us to back up files and share files with us as the instructors. So if you have any questions or concerns or it doesn't work, feel free to message me on Teams.